In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a sprint in Jira, step by step, even if you're completely new to Jira or agile boards. Creating sprints correctly is essential for Scrum teams because it helps you plan work, track progress, and deliver consistently. So if you're working on a Scrum project in Jira and you're not sure where to start, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser. Log in using your Atlassian account, and once you're logged in, navigate to the project where you want to create your sprint. This needs to be a Scrum project, not a Kanban project, because sprints are only available on Scrum boards. Once your project loads, you should see your board with the backlog and any existing sprints if they already exist. Next, look at the top right area of your project and click on the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. This menu gives you access to additional project-level settings that aren't immediately visible on the main board. Clicking this is important because sprint settings are controlled at the project level. From the menu that appears, click on Space Settings or Project Settings, depending on your Jira layout. This will take you into the configuration area for your project, where you can enable or disable different features. Once you're inside the settings area, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Features. This section controls which tools and capabilities are active for your Jira project. Inside Features, scroll until you find the Sprints option. If sprints are not enabled, you won't be able to create or start them from your board. Click on Sprints and then make sure the Sprints feature is turned on. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. If not, toggle it on. After enabling sprints, go back to your project board. Now switch to the backlog view. In the backlog, you'll see an option to create a new sprint. Click on Create Sprint, and Jira will add a new sprint container above your backlog items. From here, you can rename the sprint by clicking on the sprint name. Give it a clear name, like Sprint 1 or Sprint January Week 1, depending on your team's naming convention. Then drag issues from the backlog into the sprint to plan the work your team will complete during that sprint. Once you've added the issues you want, click Start Sprint. Jira will prompt you to set the sprint duration, start date, and end date. Review these details carefully, then confirm to officially start the sprint. And that's it. You've successfully created and started a sprint in Jira. Your team can now begin working, tracking progress, and managing tasks throughout the sprint lifecycle. If this video helped you understand how to create a sprint in Jira, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Jira tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.